This is legal. This is illegal. I don't know why, but that's just the way it is here in Connecticut. But who gonna stop me? Yo, welcome back YouTube to another episode of the Valley Grammar. I'm your boy Stevie, and today we're working on the Honda Fury, but we're doing a Accutronics license plate relocation bracket. So let's open the box. We got ourselves a mount. Looks like a mount. And we got ourselves license plate holder. Now, I already opened the box earlier, just I had to make some modifications here. Now, what I read online is that the supplied power cabling that comes with the unit is a little too short. So I went ahead and got some automotive wire and some electrical solder, and I soldered in extra long pieces so I don't have to run the risk of running out. Here's the stock, here's the stock. Comes with it right here. I went ahead and soldered, heat shrink wrap extra cable here. That way, if I use all of it, I got all this extra space to wire through. It's gonna make it a lot easier for me to install. So, without further ado, you come with me, and we're gonna check this out. All right, so this is the mount that's gonna go on. Obviously, the plate goes to this, but this here will go somewhere like that. And then I have the opportunity to put my license plate like this, like this, like this. So I thought like that, but it kind of sticks out. I like this is legal, this is illegal. I don't know why, but that's just the way it is here in Connecticut. But who gonna stop me? So I'm gonna do like this. I get a little bit more space, so when I pull the tire off, I don't have to worry about this. And it's tucked up, it looks neater, and it's slimmer profile, so it looks slimmer. I added the seat off earlier from when I did the air ride. Come around here and take a look. Here's our electrical situation. I pulled this boot off. Through process of elimination, I turned the bike on and I pulled each one of these plugs. So the reason why I'm talking about this is because on the frame of this license plate, Connecticut mandates you have to have a white light, marker plate light. Whatever, some states don't require it, Connecticut does, unfortunately. So with that, I found out that the white plug is for the white light. Go figure. The orange is for the left turning signal, and the blue is for the right turning signal. So what I did was, this was actually electric taped up. I pulled the electric tape out, because I have a tube here, and I pulled the white out. This way I can cut here, anywhere along here, save this connector piece in case I ever want to go back, or somebody, whatever. You want to always keep your hardware right here where my fingers are here. This is where I'll make the butt connector. And if all goes well, and I hope it does, we will have a working white light. Well, let's get started. So what I need to do, take that nut off. Yeah. I need to find the torque specs on that. I don't know what it is, but all right, 1, 2, 3. Hex head. Hex head. That's a 6. Maybe it's 6. Let's see. It is a 6. I looked at this earlier. I wanted to see exactly how I can route this cable, and unfortunately, right underneath this bit is the drive shaft, and I don't want to put a cable near the drive shaft. That thing's spinning, but I'm taking this boot off here so I can see what the hell I might do. I thought about using maybe a zip tie. Maybe using a zip tie around this, but then you're gonna see a zip tie. Nobody wants to see zip ties. That takes away from the whole idea of making it neat and clean, but I don't see any other way because there is no other path for that. Shit. It's as simple as routing now at this point. Let's build a bracket. This is the base plate, as we know. Your frame, the mount. I gave this a shake. Turns out there's bolts in here, so we're gonna open this up and see what's inside. See what's inside. How's your day so far? Your day doing good? That's good. I'm glad to hear it. Leave a comment if your day is doing well. If your day is doing not so well, I apologize about that, but leave a comment anyways. It's always good. You could even take this opportunity to hit that bell. Maybe subscribe. You don't have to watch my videos if you don't want to, but you could subscribe because, you know, that's free. You could do that. You could help me out, make more content. How about that? How about that? Make more content outside. How about that? Bolt, spacer. Make more content on YouTube. How about that? This bracket go here like so. This is on the outside. I'm gonna do tallways like so. But who gonna stop me? All right. Let me turn this around so you can see. It goes in here. That mounted. Comes out on this side through this little containment here. Pass along. Feed that through the bracket here. And then the wire comes out the top. And when it comes out the top, well, we're gonna figure out the next spot because I'm not sure how I want to wire this cable still. All right, back in a minute. So now I'm gonna mount my license plate to the bracket. Leave it to the state. Can't make a straight plate if you're from Connecticut. You get that. They never do anything right around here. At all. We're gonna have to change these out to some spikes or something. For sure, but for temporarily, I'm just gonna put these in. I didn't do it, and now I am. Take them all back apart. Should put a little thread, little blue Loctite, so you know it's good. Ah! Whoa, that's a lot. Too much. Thread this one down. Thread this one down. And this one down. Where's my ratchet? Give him a little quarter tug. Wrong way. We got ourselves a bracket. Cool. Come with me. All right, spacer, bracket, stock washer, new bolt. Jeez, I don't like that. Why that's so close to the damn drive shaft. And then you see the cable here? That's kind of dumb. I gotta tell you guys, why wouldn't you put the white and the black? Look at that, dude, though. This is stupid, having a cable like this. What do you guys think? I think this is stupid. I don't really want to do this, but what other choice do I have? I can't go any other way with these stupid wires. And for $170, not for nothing, maybe you guys could have friggin' do some heat shrink wrap on the whole cable and then let us peel it back. I think these zip ties are even long enough. Ah, I need longer zip ties, son of a bitch. Oh, no, fuck. There we go. Okay. A long boy. Found a long boy. All right. Zip tie this up around there. And here. And around. And through. And zip. A little zip tuck. All right. Okay. All right. Here we go. I'm zipping. Still, I think this is stupid, by the way. A zip tie, really? I don't like this, how you could just see the damn cable. This is okay, because it kind of fills in here. It kind of fills in here. But this, come on. This shit just don't seem right. You're paying $175 or whatever for this whole kit. And you're zip tying things, really? I really wish, I probably could go get shrink wrap and slip it over all this and then shrink it all up and make one cable, but damn it, I want to do this now. All right, back in a minute. I'll keep on struggling. This is where I came from. I went in through here, feed my way up around the little node here that holds this back. I went down, zip tie here holds that in. As you can see, the cables come up through here, right? Follow with your eyes up here to the top side, right there. Followed through, went down by the flash relay, followed up, followed the stock lines. Through here, there's a couple zip ties. Cut, crimp, shrink wrap, heat shrink. We're all set. Go over here. No light. Light. There you go. So I got the light. Got my brake light. Dang it, battery died again. Light, cable, wired, shrink wrap, done. Lights on, brake lights on. Psh. Turning signal should work. Try the other side. Okay. Whew. That's it. That looks fantastic. Blends right in. Not too thrilled the way the cables go and how that all worked out, but whatever. I did the best that I could. If anybody else had the same issue about short cables, I'm glad I went ahead and added. I used the entire black and white cabling that I added on there. There's maybe a little bit left for slack. So that's it. That's for today's episode. I'm glad you tuned in this week. Next week, we got one more piece we're going to work on for the back, and everything should be all set. And hopefully I'll hear from the builder, and we'll get some exhaust pipes coming in. It's got to be soon. I mean, I bought them back in May. It takes time to build stuff, so we'll see where we go from there. But got one more episode for the back, and we'll make that happen, all right? Like, subscribe, hit a video anywhere. Tell your friends, tell your family. Thanks for making the channel for what it is. Hope you had fun watching it like always, and we'll see you later. Peace!